In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited day trades on Robinhood. If you've ever tried making more than 3-day trades within a 5-day period on Robinhood, you've probably encountered the pattern day trader, or PDT rule. This rule limits the number of day trades that users can make unless they meet certain criteria. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to check your day trade status and show you 2 reliable ways to get around that limit, so you can make as many day trades as you like. Let's get started. First, head over to Robinhood.com and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top right of your screen and click on Account. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now within the Settings menu, find and select Investing. Scroll down to the section labelled Day Trade Status. This is where you can see your current 3-trade limit and keep track of how close you are to being flagged as a pattern day trader. Now, if you want to remove this limit and get unlimited day trades, you have just 2 options under Robinhood's current policies. The first way to bypass the PDT rule is to maintain an account balance of at least $25,000. To do that, go back to the Account menu and this time select Transfers. Choose Add Money and follow the directions to deposit enough funds until your portfolio value is $25,000 or more. This might take a little bit of time depending on your bank's processing speed, so keep an eye on your portfolio value to ensure that it actually updates to the required amount. Once your account reaches or exceeds the $25,000 threshold, the pattern day trader limit will automatically disappear and you'll be able to make unlimited day trades. Just remember, your balance has to remain at or above $25,000 at all times for this privilege to stay active. If your balance drops below that, the restrictions will come back. But what if you don't want to keep that much money tied up in your account? There is another approach. Switch your account type to a cash account. To do that, click on Account again, then head to Settings, and once more go into the Investing section. This time, look for Account type and choose Cash. Click Confirm to make the switch. With a cash account, the pattern day trader rule doesn't apply, so you're free to make as many day trades as you'd like. However, there's an important catch. You can only trade with your settled cash. Whenever you sell stocks, it generally takes 2 business days, known as T+2, for the funds to settle and become available for use again. This means you can make unlimited day trades as long as you only use money that has already settled in your account. So, to recap, you either keep your account at $25,000 or more, or you switch to a cash account and trade with settled funds. And that's how you can get unlimited day trades on Robinhood. Make sure to always check your account settings so you know exactly what you're working with and avoid accidentally violating trading rules. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get more flexibility in your trading on Robinhood.